guys, look at the snow in Apple Hill, Placerville, California in April after the spring, or you can say springtime. So it's crazy. Look at the snow. The amount of snow is actively snowing over here.
It looks beautiful, right?
And it's beautiful. Right now we are going in snow where visibility is almost zero. Not zero, but a few meters. And this is right next to the highway 50, which connects to from Sacramento to South Lake Tahoe. So it's awesome. Right next to us is the highway. You can see the cars going there. But this is an amazing area. If you live in Folsom or El Dorado Hills, it's just 30 minutes drive from there, and you don't have to clean the snow over there, but you can experience the snow over here. So guys, please come and check it out whenever you have time in winter time.
Whoa, what was
Wow,
that?
we just got snow smashed.